How to create custom route in Google Maps. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. It works on iPhone, Android or Samsung. So for that we will simply click on Google Maps. So I will simply click on Maps. Once you click here you guys will see on downside right corner small arrow pic. So simply click on that. Once you click here, you guys will see choose start location, choose destination. In start location, I will add the location that I am going from. So, for example, I want to go from London. So, I will search for London, and destination I will search for London Bridge. So, I will simply search for London Bridge. After that, you guys will simply see drive, and in drive you guys will see walk, cycle and other things. So for starting that, simply click on preview, and once you click on preview your ride will be started. Also, if you want to add route stops, so for that you will simply click on these three dots. Here you guys will see all traffic, satellite, terrain. Also, when you guys back here, you guys will see 8 stops. So simply click on 8 stop, and here you guys can add your stops. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.